Hi, John here from binaryoptionsindicatorsignals.com. Just wanted to give you a quick visual backtest for the BOIS trading system, including the new BOIS SR indicator. Alright, so here we go. On the medium profile. Alright, so we got 1-0 from the GWB. And this one, 1-0. SR 1010. Second entry, SR winner. This is first or second entry win. Second entry win, SR. Second entry win. First entry win. First entry win, SR. CB. First entry win. As you can see here, the padding set to 0. You can see that the signals are coming right at the wick, so you're getting an optimal entry early in before the drop. So it's coming down, then coming down. So it's deep in the money. This one popped up a little bit, dropped down. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave a padding so you can see the wicks easier as far as if it was popping up before it went down, etc. But it does paint right at the point of signal, the arrows. And typically you'll have a couple seconds to get in before the optimal, you get the signal somewhere around here. Give you a couple seconds to get in at the very optimal point. Okay, this one should be in the money as well, because it had a beautiful drop before it went up. You probably would have closed in here someplace. This one is possible winner as well, but worst case, if you lost this, could be a 1-2 third entry. Should be first entry winner there on the CB. SR would be second entry. Just wait for the momentum to cease as it continued up here and entering here. Deep in the money, second entry. This one will be second entry winner. First entry SR. First entry SR. First entry here, because it did go up and continue up. This one is a close one, so I'm just going to call it second entry. First or second for SR. CB should have been first entry winner here. Second entry SR, first entry SR. Second entry SR. Second entry. On this one, could be possibly second entry if you got it at the top here, because it did drop and then go down. But I'm just going to call this third entry, assuming you took it up in here someplace, then dropping down, closing in here someplace. So first entry, I'm just going to call this third entry, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one was a bit of a breakout here. So you should wait a couple candles after this break here, long candle break. It is possible you could have took this one because it didn't pop up very far past here. So if you got the signal here and it dropped, it might have closed in the money, but worst case, it would have been a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th entry. Absolute worst case if you had just kept going instead of waiting for confirmation or next SR, which basically came off of here. So that's that. This is first entry. This one would be 1, 2 third entry. 1, 2, 3 third entry here. First or second entry here. first entry, second entry, first entry winner, this one would be first or second entry winner, second or third rather, 1, 2, or 3. If you cut this one up at the top here, having a nice drop, would have closed somewhere in here. Alright, so let's go to the next pair here. Let's bring this back. Okay, so let's bring this back about 4 days. First entry, first entry, first entry, first entry, first entry, first entry. February 28th was a beautiful day for SR signals. A lot of first entry winners. In this one would probably be a second entry winner actually, if you cut it when I was going down here. Then popping up, closing in here someplace. Alright, so let's go to the next pair here. USD/CHF. First entry winner. This one is probably first entry because if you cut it at the top of the wick here and then dropping down, would have closed in here someplace. This one would be first, SR, CB first. This one was a bit of trouble here. So, look left, nothing. After this break here, you're looking at, should wait 3 candles. Take it on the second entry, but if you kept just going, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th entry. First entry, SR. First or second. You might have got caught with this wick, so I'll just call it second to be conservative. First entry winner. This was a huge breakout. So what you would want to do on this one is pretty much looking at candles, wicks down, no sign of dropping. I think you would want to go the other way on this one, because you got wick down, nothing but up on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Was one heck of a breakout here. USD/CHF. This pair is one of the pairs that will really break out heavy at times. So what you want to do when you see a look left, nothing, pop like this, is just go the other way after you see a strong sign of it going up. Like this, and nothing look left. First entry winner here, first entry winner here, first entry winner here, and here, and here, second entry winner here, first here. Let's go to the next pair. USD CAD. Say first or second entry here, first entry here. So second or third, if you took this one up in the band here, it's the third. First, second, first or second, CB, SR, first, second, 1, 2, first, second, CB, I'm just going to call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th entry. But I think you probably could have took it on the second, because this one had a wick coming down and came up. Probably would have closed in here someplace for a second entry. First. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. Another look left nothing breakout. So when you have like this, it's a good idea to just wait 3 candles. You get the loss here. Wait 2 more candles. 80 pips. Take it on the second entry. Worst case, it would be a 1, 2, 3, 4th entry. First. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. It's another bouncing on the top of the band situation. Very tricky setup here. But again, look left, nothing. Long candle breakout. Good idea just to go the other way on this one. Even though it is RSI peaked already, but the USD CAD and USD CHF are both pairs that tend to keep booming even when RSI is peaked. But RSI has not peaked too heavily here, so it would have been better just to take the other way on this one. Let's go to the next pair, Euro USD. Beautiful JWB 1.0. One. Okay, so let's see here. Let's go forward on this one. We got 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. And I did remove the SR indicator from this pair because this pair is prone to breakouts. Okay, this one is 1, 2, 3. CB. CB is 1 or 2. This one is 1 or 2 as well. This one will be 1. Worst case, if you didn't win it, that would be 1, 2, 3. But you should have took 1. Okay, the next pair, Euro JPY. 1, SR 1, SR 2, 1, SR 1, SR 2, CB 1, SR 1, SR 1, GWB 1. Okay, this is another pretty nasty breakout here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th entry, but again, this is a situation with a look left nothing. Should probably wait a couple candles after this long candle breakout. So if you had second entry seeing this situation, wait a couple candles, take it for the third entry. One SR, 1, 2, 3 SR, 1 or 2, 1, 2. JWB 1, CB 1, 2. 1. SRs 1. Worst case 1, 2, 3. Should be a 1 or 2 here. 1.